In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create poll in WhatsApp. So first of all, what you're gonna do is you are just gonna open the WhatsApp application in your phone by tapping on it. Once you are here, you can go to any direct conversation or any group chat. For example, I'm gonna go to my group chat. Once you are here, you will be able to see here this option beside the camera. So you are gonna tap on this. And after that, you will be able to access many more options. So if you see the last option located over here, you will be able to see here, it is poll. So you are going to tap on that and then you will be redirected to this kind of page. Here, first of all, you are going to type in the question which you will be asking in the poll. Like I'm asking, how was your day today? Then you will be able to insert here the options which the viewers or the members of your group chat will be able to choose. The first option I am adding is good and the second option I am adding is bad. So you can also add more than 2 questions by tapping on add. But for now, I'm gonna go with only 2 options. Then you are able to select here the option allow multiple answers. If you enable this option, the members of the group or the specific person will be able to choose more than one option. I am gonna disable this right now. So if I disable this, the members of the group or the specific person will be able to choose any one option. Once you have done all of these steps, you can then tap on this next option. And then you are able to see here, now we have created a poll in our WhatsApp chat. Now to select any one of these options, I am gonna tap on that. Similarly, if you are using business WhatsApp, the process is gonna be the same.